Here we are going to demonstrate how to make an Kusudama with 12 units, 12 pentagonal units, just like this one. This unit was created by Carmen Sprung from Germany, and she calls it Carambola, and it is demonstrated by Sarah Adams at happyfolding.com. The Kusudama that we are going to be making will have a structure of a dodecahedron, such this. That means that it's a figure that will have 12 sides, 12 pentagonal sides. This is perfect because it has 5 sides, and with 12 of these we will create the dodecahedron. Here, to begin with, we are going to do half of this piece by using 6 units. And the way we're going to build it is that I take one piece, which I designate as my central piece, around which I am going to be attaching 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have these units, and then first of all I am going to attach them using little pins such this. Some hairpins are also useful for something like this, and I'm going to attach them without any glue for the moment, but later on, when the structure is all formed, I am going to be pasting them with glue. This is like a traditional Kusudama, not a macular origami that self-locks. We will have to use glue for this. So you take one unit and attach it to the side of this central one. Then take the next unit, hold it in place, and attach the pin. And you are going to do it a few more times until we are surrounding this central piece. So we have the basic structure. Now we are going to be attaching this one. As you see, these first ones, each one of these corners has 3 petals. 3 petals come together to form each corner. Now we are going to add the pins for this, and we are going to form 2 units just like this. So as you can see, we have 2 halves here. All of them are pinned in place so far, and what we're going to be doing is applying the glue. Okay. In order to apply the glue, we need to remove corner by corner. First, one corner, we apply to the tip of the petal a little bit of glue, pin it back together. I usually like to place colorful pins here when I'm gluing, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I was forgetting. And the ones with color, if you have them available, signal to me that those points have been glued. Okay, so we proceed to go around each one of these corners and glue the petals. So we're going to proceed to join them together. What we want to do is, if you look, each one of these alternates between two petals joined together, 1, 2, 1, 2. Same here. So what we want to do is to set them together so that a point with two petals here touches one point with one petal here, like so. It will naturally fall into place and all of them will be like that, forming points of 3 petals. So we proceed to clip it together first, and when we have them all fixed, we will glue them together. So as you see, each corner has 3 petals coming together. So we're going to proceed to glue one by one. So we have our Kusudama almost finished. The only thing left to do is gluing these corners all together. So we remove only just one pin or clip, and I use white glue, as you saw before. Apply with a little stick. This is actually a skewer with the point of the skewer, and apply very little glue so that it won't come over the borders and ruin our work or glue the. And at this point I change my regular natural color clips for colorful clips, so that I know that the ones with color are the ones that are already glued. So we continue in the same fashion around until we are done with each one of them. So I am finishing now removing the clips because the little sphere is all pasted together. And as you can see, this is the result. Here I have another version, and this is what you can do with it.